Today we, the students of class 8th R, are extremely privileged to have this golden opportunity to address you all in our annual function on the topic casteism and reforms.
Now please stand up and take your position. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. O God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
In the morning can change the whole day. So I would like to call Nymphia for thought of the day.
Good morning. So the thought of the day is social reforms are never carried out by the weakness of the strong, but always by the strength of the weak. I repeat my thought. Social reforms are never carried out by the weakness of the strong, but always by the strength of the weak. Thank you.
Now let's start this beautiful morning and this event by taking the name of Lord Ganesha. I would like to call Mishti of our class on the stage for Ganesh Vandanam.
Deva Shri Ganesha, 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 Deva Shri Ganesha.
ज्वाला सी जलती है आंखों में जिसके दिल में तेरा नाम है और वाही क्या उसका हरम कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है धरती अमर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे कर भी उससे नाराज है जिसकी रखवाली यारे करता सारा तेरा देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश
Drama teaches important life skills such as confidence, empathy, cooperation, and conflict resolutions. These skills are essential for building healthy relationships and navigating the challenges of their life. So now, some students of my class are going to present a skit.
Good morning class, please take your seats. Today is a special presentation prepared by our students. They have been working hard on it for the past few weeks.
Yes, today we performing a skit to pay tribute to the reformers who fought against casteism in India.
We hope you enjoy it and learn something new from it.
Casteism has been a long-standing issue in India, but throughout the history, there have been some brave individuals who have fought against the social evil. Today we will pay tribute to these reformers.
I cannot believe that just because I belong to a certain caste, I am considered inferior to others.
I know, but what can we do? This is how society has always been.
But our society must be changed now.
In ancient times, the caste system was deeply entrenched in society, but there were those who dared to challenge it. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was one of the first to speak out against casteism, advocating for equality and social justice.
We must eradicate this unjust system of casteism. All the human beings are equal and it is our duty to treat them as such.
Jyotirao Phule, a social reformer from Maharashtra, championed the cause of education and equality for all.
This caste system has divided us for too long.
we must unite and fight for our rights as equals. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of Indian Constitution, worked tirelessly to ensure that casteism was abolished and equality ensured in law.
I envision a society where caste has no place, where every individual is free to pursue their dreams without discrimination.
Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. He fought against untouchability. He called these people the child of God or Harijan and said that they should be treated equally.
Remember, my friends, the power to change lies within each of us. Let us continue to strive for a world where no one is judged by the circumstances of their birth.
Let us remember and honor these great reformers who fought against casteism and paved the way for a more equal society.
Well done, students. That was a powerful and moving tribute. Thank you for educating us about the importance of fighting against casteism. But the fight against casteism is not over. We must continue to raise our voices and stand up against injustice wherever we see it.
The fight against casteism is ongoing, but thanks to these reformers, we are closer to achieve more just and equal society. Let their legacy inspire us to continue their work. Thank you.
Group discussion involves an exchange of ideas where important things are learned from each other. It also leads to many thoughts, provoking quests in our mind which enables us to understand the topic in deeper sense. Now some students are coming from group discussion.
The caste system in India was in hierarchical form. It basically consists of four varnas. There are Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. And the people who did not fit in these categories were the Dalits or the untouchable.
There was caste discrimination. The upper caste people used to torture the lower caste people. Lower caste people weren't allowed in certain places and occasions. Religious and social functions were prohibition for them.
Over the 19th and 12th centuries, many of these social and religious issues were initiated and debated by Indian reformers. Their views reached the vast section of society and influenced their thinking. Ordinary people also reacted to those debates and expressed their views through magazines and newspapers. In this way, the movement of social change became widespread.
One such reformer was the Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He founded an association known as the Brahm Sabha. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was particularly moved by the problems of widows faced in their life. He began a campaign against the practices of sati. The strategy adopted by the Raja Ram Mohan Roy was used by later reformers as well.
Famous reformer Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar used the Asian text to suggest that widows could remarry. His suggestion was adopted by British officials and a law was passed in 1856 permitting widow remarriage. By the second half of the 19th century, the movement in favor of widow remarriage had spread to other parts of the country.
Pandita Ramabai, a great scholar of Sanskrit, felt that Hinduism was oppressive toward women and wrote a book about the miserable life of upper caste Hindu women. She founded a home for widows who had been treated badly by their husbands and relatives. Here, women could train themselves economically.
Some of the social reformers we have been discussing also criticized caste inequalities. There were also others who questioned the injustice of the caste social order. Gradually, by the second half of the 19th century, people from within the non-Brahman caste began organizing movements against caste discrimination and demanded social equality and justice.
The Sarnani movement in central India was founded by Ghasidas to improve the social status. Sri Narayana Guru proclaimed the ideals of unity for his people. He argued against treating people unequally on the basis of caste differences. One of the most vocal among the low caste leaders was Jyoti Rao Phule. He proposed that Shudras, laboring caste and Ati Shudras should unite together to challenge caste discrimination. The Satya Shodak Samaj and the Association Phule founded propagated caste equality.
A Ambedkar was born into a Mahar family. In 1927, Ambedkar started a temple laundry movement in which his Mahar caste followers participated. Ambedkar led to 3 such movements for temple laundry between 1927 and 1935. His aim was to make everyone see the power of caste prejudices within the society.
Mahatma Gandhi was a nationalist leader. He was the first to realize that political independence had no meaning without social independence. So he combined both social and political elements before he laid on the foundation of Harijan Sevak Sangh and Sevagram. He fought against evils like untouchability, poverty, etc. He called these people the child of God or Harijan and said that they should be treated equally.
The social reformers of India started the revolution of radical change in Indian society, and they have left no stone to eradicate these evils. Some reformers decided to remove caste discrimination, while others worked on the girl marriage and illiteracy.
As a result, our society became completely free from many superstitions and evils. The reform movements improved religion and caste. With that, education and literature also progressed. People came in contact with new language and literature. Thank you.
Poetry is so important because it helps us understand and appreciate the world around us. So now, Navya Jindal and Navya Goyal are coming for Hindi poem.
यह कविता अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी द्वारा रचित है। बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पांवों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा।
उजियारे में अंधकार में, कल कहार में, बीज धार में, घोर घृणा में, पूत प्यार में, क्षणिक जीत में, दीर्घ हार में, जीवन के शत शत आकर्षक अरमानों को ढलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा,
कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा।
धन्यवाद।
Kathak is a very beautiful form in Indians. Classical dance which is delicacy. Now some girls of our class have been to present a classical dance performance.
विष्णु प्यालो रानाए भेजो पीवत मेरा हासी रे विष्णु प्यालो रानाए भेजो पीवत मेरा हासी रे मेरा कहे प्रभु गिरधर नागर मेरा कहे प्रभु गिरधर नागर सहज मैं अविनाश रे पग घुंघरू बांध पग घुंघरू बांध पग घुंघरू बांध पग घुंघरू बांध मेरा नाची रे मेरा नाची रे मेरा नाची रे
Music is the divine way to tell beautiful poetic things to the heart. Now I would like to call Nandesh on the stage to sing an English song.
I have a dream of what I wanna be. I wanna be free. That's what my heart keeps telling me. Give me a hand, we will find a way. There's people out there that feel the same. If we help each other, I just know we can succeed. We are one, but we are different. We're from all around the world. We share the same sun, we share the same oceans. We are every born girl come together and share dreams to be among the stars. And we know that it's a destiny. We are unity. We are unity. I do believe, oh I believe in destiny. It's up to me to make it into reality. Give me a hand, we will find the way. There's people out there that feel the same. If we help each other, I just know we can succeed. We are one, we are different. We're from all around the world. We share the same sun, we share the same oceans. We are every boy and girl come together and share dreams to be among the stars. And we know that it's a destiny. We are unity. We are unity. Thank you.
Playing an instrument is as same as expressing our feelings without using words. So I would like to invite one of our class for an amazing instrumental performance.
Poetry provides a unique outlet for expressing emotions in concise and in a powerful manner. So now, I would like to call Mishti and Noor of our class to recite a beautiful English poem.
With words as their weapons, they ignite the flame. Fighting for freedom, they take their claim. From Gandhi's non-violence to Martin's dream, reformers paved the way, a powerful stream.
In every corner, in every land, reformers emerge, a guiding hand. Their legacy lives on in hearts and minds, inspiring others across all kinds. So let us honor these champions bold. Their stories retold, their courage extolled. For in the struggle for a better day, reformers light the path, leading the way. Reformers light the path, leading the way. Thank you. Art is how we decorate space. Music is how we decorate time. Now Himanshu of our class is going to present a melodious Hindi song.
Dancing is an art that requires discipline, hard work and patience. Let's we welcome some talented students of our class to stage for a group dance performance.
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। तूफान भी सोच सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी, ऐसा जुल्म है किसी ने कहा। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधिया। बहता चला तू, मंजर है के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधिया। मंजर है मंजर नया, मंजर है नया के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधिया। रसते लोहे से बसते, बसतों में तू भर चला आसमां। आएंगी सदियां, जाएंगी सदियां, रह जाएंगे फिर भी तेरे निगाह। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधिया। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधिया। मंजर है नया, मंजर नया।